How to fix Roblox connection error. I'm going to show you a few different things that you have to do. First, open up your computer search, and here you want to search for settings. Click on settings. Now you will go into network and internet. Then you want to select advanced network settings. Here you will select network reset, and you want to click on reset now. This is just going to make sure that all of your settings are correct for your internet and that it's working properly with all apps, and your PC will also be restarted. See if that fixes the issue. Make sure you like before you do this. If it doesn't work, then you can hop back onto this video and we'll proceed to the second method, which is going to be searching for the Roblox player. Right clicking, open file location, right click on the Roblox player again, show more options, go into properties, then you will need to go into the compatibility tab and check these three options. Compatibility mode, disable full screen optimizations, run this program as an admin. Click on apply, click on OK, and that should fix the connection error. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.